Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Koho and whether it is a bank or a financial technology company. Koho is a Canadian financial technology company, or fintech, not a bank. While it offers many services that are similar to what you would find at a traditional bank, it does not have a banking license. Instead of holding deposits itself, Koho partners with a regulated financial institution, People's Trust, which holds the funds on behalf of Koho users. This partnership allows Koho to provide services like spending accounts and prepaid MasterCards, while the underlying funds are held securely at a regulated institution. Koho's business model is built around technology and user experience. It offers a mobile app with tools for budgeting, savings, and credit building. Koho earns revenue primarily through interchange fees from merchants when customers use their card, as well as through subscription fees for its premium plans. So, while Koho may look and feel like a bank because it provides financial services, its core identity is that of a financial technology company that partners with licensed institutions to deliver its products. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.